My name is Muhammad Umar Bashir, and my topic is My Pakistan is My Responsibility. So, if you like my speech, so please vote for me. This video will be uploaded on NND Academy YouTube channel. Thanks. My esteemed and beloved Pakistanis, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you with a topic that is not just a speech, it is a call to action. My Pakistan, my responsibility. We live on a land earned with blood, faith, and sacrifice. A land where the green crescent flag waves proudly, reminding us every single day that freedom is never free and responsibility is never optional. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी किश्ते वीरां से, नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी किश्ते वीरां से, जरा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बड़ी ज़रख़े से साकी. Every year we celebrate 14th August with flags, lights and fireworks. But ask yourself today, have we truly fulfilled our responsibility to this sacred homeland? Have we protected its honor, its beauty and its future? Our beloved Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah once said, with faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. These are not just golden words. These are a mirror asking us, are we living up to our duty as Pakistanis? My friends, responsibility is not just waving the flag or singing the anthem. It's protecting our country from corruption, spreading education, standing united against enemies, and building a nation that our heroes dreamed of. Because if we fail in this duty, then who will protect this land? Our enemies never rest. They spread propaganda. They divide us with hatred. They dream of a weak Pakistan. But let them hear us today, because my Pakistan is my responsibility. This is the land where the call of Azan echoes in every corner, where every drop of soil smells of sacrifice, and where faith runs deeper than fear. No conspiracy, no enemy, no power on earth can undo Pakistan, whose people have trust in Allah and stand united like steel. My dear Pakistanis, responsibility means action, not excuses. It means paying our taxes honestly, not stealing from the nation's plate. It means respecting the law even when no one is watching. It means planting trees, saving water, and protecting our environment. Because a true patriot doesn't just fight for Pakistan, he builds it with his own hands. If you want a stronger Pakistan tomorrow, then start being a stronger Pakistani today. Remember the floods. Remember the earthquakes. When disaster struck, it wasn't just the army or the government. It was you, the common Pakistani, who stood in knee-deep water, sharing food with the hungry, shelter with the homeless. That is the real face of Pakistan. If we can unite in tragedy, why can't we unite in progress? Why can't we build schools with the same passion we build relief camps? Why can't we clean our cities with the same speed we clean after flood? Because the day when we do that, Pakistan will become unstoppable. Imagine a Pakistan where every child goes to school, where streets are clean, justice is fair, and youth leads innovation. This is the Pakistan of Iqbal's dreams and Qaid's vision, and this Pakistan will only rise, and every citizen owns the responsibility. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. So I ask you all, will we keep blaming others for our problems? Or will we be the change Pakistan needs? Because Pakistan does not need spectators. It needs responsible sons and daughters who can turn its struggle into strength. So let us vote today. We will serve Pakistan with honesty. We will protect it with unity. We will lift it with hard work and faith, because this is our land, our pride, and our responsibility. Pakistan Zindabad. Thanks.